Wow. Hey everyone, we're going to do a science experiment. I'm Mommy and this is
Liam.
All right, can you tell me what this experiment is called?
The underwater volcano.
Good job. All right, so first we got to get all of our equipment.
Test tube.
Check.
Scoop.
Check.
Measuring cylinder.
Check.
Citric acid.
Check.
Baking soda.
Check.
Red color.
Check. And then we need two other things from home.
Water and cooking oil.
Water and cooking oil. Good
Check.
job. So now let's read the first instruction.
Measure 10 milliliters of water into the measuring cylinder. Pour into the test tube.
Awesome. Okay, so let's open up the test tube. Let me know when we get to the 10.
The 10's right there.
Okay.
Yes.
We have the 10? Awesome.
Now let's pour it into the test tube.
Awesome.
Pour, pour, pour. I'm
Right.
pouring.
Good job. So we got 10 milliliters of water. Now, what's the second step?
Then add 2 drops of red into the color
Into the test tube and mix.
Mix well.
Yes. I'll do these two. We got 1,
2. Then me.
2. There we go. Now we got to mix. Do we have our measuring stick? They didn't tell us. Our mixing stick, they didn't tell us to get that out. But we do have one. Where is it? There we go. Let's mix that up.
We gotta mix that up once.
Mix it up.
In here?
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Good job. Put this to the side.
Then add a half a scoop of baking soda.
Half a scoop of baking soda. I'll measure and you.
Here's a scoop.
Thank you. I measure and you'll pour, right?
I'll pour it slowly.
Yeah, we're gonna need more baking soda soon, huh? Okay,
All
there
done?
we go. Yes.
Let's pour it into the test tube. I'm pouring slowly.
All right, let's make sure we get it all in there. Perfect. All right, so what's our fourth step?
Measure 20 milliliters of cooking oil into the measuring cylinder and pour it slowly into the cup.
Pour it slowly. Okay, hold the measuring cylinder for me, and let me know when I get to 20.
It's high, right?
Yeah.
Ah, we spilled some.
It's okay. We can wipe it up. Is that at 20 yet?
We're at 20.
Awesome.
Now let's pour it into the test tube.
Slowly.
It's getting very high.
Yeah. Wow.
We're gonna pour more liquid into it.
Yes. Good job, Liam. All right. So what's our fifth and final step?
Drop a half a scoop of citric acid into the test tube.
Awesome.
That's the last step.
That's our last step. Okay.
This is getting fun. It's gonna spore. It's gonna come out. It's gonna spore. Then is the very. Then I'll pour it.
Okay. Well, up. Here we go. We poured it in there. Let's move this out of the way.
Oh no!
Wow. Do you see those bubbles? That's so cool.
Whoa! It's exploring.
Wow, that is really cool. Do you see
How
all those
cool.
bubbles and how slowly it's moving through? All right.
It's slowly moving. Then it's bored to come down.
Yeah. So let's read the science behind this. Similar to the previous experiment, bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. But in this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This proper oil is called precocity.
And that's our underwater volcano?
Yeah. When citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. Remember when with the fizzy magic potion, we saw bubbles of carbon dioxide carbon dioxide began to release. This same kind of fizz can be observed when you drink a soft drink or when you open up a soft bottle is open. And we see all the bubbles come out, right?
Yes.
Isn't that really cool?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.
Bye.